A metal chute carried on the transit mix truck is put into place and adjusted to proper height. The direction of the revolving drum is reversed, and the wet concrete flows down the chutes and into the form. As the concrete flows into place, we must take care that no air pockets are allowed to remain in the semifluid mass, and that no separation of large and small aggregate takes place. A type of mechanical vibrator can be used to prevent this, but in our case it is done by hand, using a rod. This is known as rodding the concrete. Striking the outside of the form with a hammer will also aid in removing air pockets. Here's an example of what will happen if you do not rod properly. Notice the difference between this section and this section, where failure to rod the concrete has resulted in bad separation, known as honeycomb. From time to time, the position of the chute is changed as the truck moves on around the building. To eliminate any possibility of the form giving way at the bottom, it's good practice to pour about half of the concrete on the first time around. By the time we get back to our starting point, the first pour will have set up enough so that we can safely pour the rest of it. As the concrete is chuted into the forms, the spreaders between form walls are removed, the weight of the concrete now accomplishing the same purpose that the spreaders did earlier, that of holding apart the form walls.